Hey, what is up guys? This is the Apple Watch Ultra. This is the most rugged and capable watch ever from Apple. So the build quality of this watch is made from a robust titanium case, precision dual frequency GPS, and this gives you up to 36 hours of battery life. And this is going to give you 3 specialized bands made for athletes and adventurers of all kinds. So why does the Apple Watch Ultra look very tough? Well, it's because this watch is meant for ultimate sports and is provided with detailed performance. So the titanium strikes the perfect balance between the weight, ruggedness, and the corrosion resistance. So the titanium case is going to take care of all of that. That is the weight, ruggedness, and the corrosion resistance. The new case design rises up to surround the flat sapphire crystal and protect it from edge impacts. Compared to the Apple Watch Series 8 or lower models, or even the Apple Watch SE of this year, the crown is larger and the side button is raised from the case. So this makes it easier to use when wearing gloves. So this watch comes with 49mm of titanium case. It's water resistant up to 100 meters. That's a huge upgrade. And it has IP6X dust resistance. So this watch is not only the biggest, but it's also the brightest. The always on retina display is 2000 nits at its peak and twice as bright as any other Apple Watch. So you can have a better view of the display on the Apple Watch and you can have a look at your workout metrics and detail packed with faces. And it also gives the night mode for you to have a better view in low light situations. Look at that, it looks so sturdy. And it can have a quick and physical control over a variety of functions. And it can do a lot of things like control a workout, mark a compass waypoint, or begin a dive. It's full of potential. So this is a side view of the Apple Watch Ultra. And this is a versatile tool that fits on your wrist. As far as the battery life goes, when you're on the second day of backpacking trip, the last thing you want to think is about running out of battery. So with the Apple Watch Ultra, you can have a longer battery life, and the battery backup goes up to 36 hours in normal use and up to 60 hours in low power settings. Endurance, push farther, run wilder. According to Apple, the Apple Watch Ultra acts like a training partner to help you push your limits. So here's the interface of your health tracking. So the GPS on the Apple Watch Ultra is more precise and its performance has been enhanced. So with the L1 GPS, it's hard to track when buildings, trees, or dense foliage block satellites. But with the newer L5 GPS, which enables advanced signal processing, and it reduces many errors and providing a more consistent signal in environments like dense cities. So this watch is designed for extreme environments, elevations, and temperatures, and this watch can take you everywhere. And on the other hand, this watch can help you get home. The compass waypoints mark the spot. Quickly and easily mark your location with compass waypoints. So you can tap the icon to drop a waypoint on a trailhead or point of interest. Name your waypoints, give them icons, and color code them to stay organized. So a single press of the action button can quickly drop a compass waypoint at your location or immediately start backtrack so you can focus on the journey ahead or behind you. And this watch is simply adorable. It has 86 decibel siren, sonic salvation, and the siren of this Apple Watch Ultra can be heard up to 600 feet, or in meters it's going to be 180 meters away. And this watch can sustain minus 20 degrees Celsius to 55 degrees Celsius. So this looks more interesting, groundbreaking even in the sea. So you can use this watch in water also up to 100 meters of depth. This watch is designed in partnership with renowned underwater innovators, and it's easy to use. You can also use your Apple Watch Ultra to plan your dive easily and quickly. So most dive computers require a complex sequence of button pushing to get you what you need. So Oceanic Plus lets you access additional screens simply by turning the digital crown. It uses a color coding on the big, bright display to make complex information easy to understand. So we have a lot of watch faces here, and safety never stops. Yeah, it's very much true. So all the safety warnings are incorporated into Oceanic Plus, from decompression limits to extensive ascent traits. So this uses a particular algorithm to calculate and monitor dive parameters, giving you the data you need at a glance. And we have the post-dive data. Post-dive data from the sea to the cloud, so you can get the data from your dive immediately after you surface, including your GPS entry and exit points. It syncs automatically to your iPhone and the cloud, and you can have the summary of the dive profile, and you can check out your logbook. Or you can share your experiences with your friends and family using a new depth gauge. The Depth app is ideal for snorkeling or any casual underwater activity. You can see the time, current depth, water temperature, duration underwater, and maximum depth you have reached. This watch can even activate automatically when you submerge. So let's talk a bit about the action button. So you can control your watch in an easier manner in the water by programming the action button to start the Depth app. Or you can even set a compass heading during a dive with Oceanic Plus. So the Ocean Band, the sea is calling. It's an attachable band extension that lets you wear it around a thick, wet suit. So the ECG is very accurate on this watch. So you have the temperature sensing, sleep tracking, ECG, heart health notifications, and the most important, blood oxygen. And some of the innovative safety features are crash detection, which is very important. And the fall detection, emergency SOS, and you can call and text, you can listen to music, and we have the updated version of Maps, Apple Pay, Siri, and App Store, and we have the Apple Fitness Plus. Get up to 3 months free when you buy an Apple Watch. So you get 3 months free of Apple Fitness when you're going to buy an Apple Watch. So this is a 49mm watch. It's swim-proof, IP6X dust resistant. You have the action button, which is missing in the Apple Watch Series 8 and the Apple Watch SE. And we have always on Retina display on all the 3 watches, but on the Apple Watch Ultra we have something more. That is a 2000 nits brightness. We have the blood oxygen app, ECG app, irregular rhythm notification, temperature sensing, crash detection, 86 decibel siren to attract attention. It is cellular and you can pair your Apple Watch with an iPhone. Now let's have a look at the pricing of this watch. So this watch is going to cost you around $799, and we have a variety of straps and bands. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time in a new tech video.